In this video, we will talk about the 10 most beautiful hotel rooftops in the world. Many tourists find hotel rooftops to be intoxicating, and they can influence our decision to stay in a specific hotel. Swimming in a pool or sharing a drink with a loved one or friends while taking in the picturesque surroundings is definitely something to behold. So if you want to discover some of the most beautiful hotel rooftops in the world, bear with us till the end and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. Number 10. Art Deco Hotel Montana. The stunning Art Deco Hotel Montana, located in the heart of Switzerland, has won numerous awards. The hotel, which was constructed between 1909 and 1910, is situated on a distinctive hillside, with panoramic views of the Alps around it and the emerald green Lake Lucerne. In this place, where history and contemporary Art Deco are combined, you can truly stay in style. And from bottom to top, there is plenty to savor in between snoozes. The Hemingway Rum Lounge offers Switzerland's most exquisite range of rums and a curated selection of priceless cigars, while the Scala Restaurant and Terrace offers Mediterranean fine dining in a chic environment, both indoors and at the outdoor living room. As you go higher, the scenery and vistas grow even greater thanks to the summertime hotspot Montana Beach Club. This rooftop bar and beach club, which offers a sizable chunk of the Côte d'Azur, has everything you need to spend hours in the sun-plush loungers and cushions, sand and palm trees, cool drinks and light nibbles, as well as a whirlpool and a rainforest shower. Number 9. Hotel des Arts Saigon. The elegant and five-star Hotel des Arts Saigon Gallery Collection is undoubtedly one of the best places to stay in Ho Chi Minh City, since it combines all the modern conveniences with the traditional charm of French Indochina and Vietnam in the 1930s. It is situated in the most energetic area of Saigon and is stuffed with paintings and antiques. It is also a superb hotel. Both a chic art cafe and a lively open kitchen restaurant with a good selection of authentic Indochina and Western food are located on the hotel's lower levels. But the real treasures are up top. The upscale indoor social club restaurant, which opens on the 23rd level, offers fine European food and expansive window views of the metropolitan skyline. Take the steps to the 24-story social club rooftop bar for even greater and much more outdoor views. Here you may taste beautifully designed and elegant-looking signature drinks, either at sunset or during the lively nights with live DJ performances. Number 8. Hotel Antigua Palma. One of Palma's top hotels, the stunning Hotel Antigua Palma is a haven in the city's historic district and is referred to as an authentic Mallorcan house. It also has a quaint and beautiful rooftop. The hotel is really sophisticated and exquisite, and it is full of hidden courtyards and corners that will transport you back in time. There are also a ton of amenities such as a spa with Arab baths as inspiration. The 180 sqm rooftop patio, which overlooks the city, is the hotel's most exquisite location despite its general beauty. The terrace is divided into 3 main areas: a rooftop bar and restaurant, a chill-out space furnished with couches, tables, and a brazier, and a private plunge pool with loungers for a genuinely upscale experience and leisure. Number 7. Banyan Tree KL. The 2018 opened Banyan Tree Kuala Lumpur is an urban haven in the center of the busy city. As a guest, you may take use of the spacious, contemporary accommodations, excellent service, the open-air Banyan Tree Spa, and 24-hour fitness. A magnificent and upscale rooftop pool is located almost on the rooftop. It is a terrific place for relaxed hours and breathtaking views of the Twin Towers and the KL skyline because it is covered, but is still outdoors. Reach the rooftop for even more breathtaking views and more food and drinks. The Horizon Grill restaurant and the Vertigo rooftop bar are located on floors 58 and 59. The topmost venue, Vertigo, is a terrific place to enjoy alfresco beverages and breathtaking sunset views. The Horizon Grill restaurant offers indoor dining as well as outdoor, sitting on a more intimate terrace. Number 6. The Westin Excelsior. The renowned Westin Excelsior is a 5-star hotel situated directly on Florence's lovely Arno River. It is not uncommon for football teams and celebrities to stay here when they are in town. Some benefits of staying at this conveniently located hotel include bathrooms with Carrara marble and a superb breakfast buffet. However, there's more. SESTO on Arno, a rooftop bar and restaurant on top of the hotel, provides a truly spectacular view of Florence from all angles. The rooftop is accessible all year round and has an indoor lounge as well as an outdoor deck. Here, you may indulge in a lengthy wine lunch while taking in the views and the excellent service, as well as a rich wine cellar with a tradition of Mediterranean cuisine. Number 5. Grand Hotel Timeo. The exquisite Grand Hotel Timeo, a Bellman hotel, enjoys an excellent location in one of Europe's most charming and beautiful cities, located near to the well-known Teatro Antico di Taormina. It is difficult to find a finer place to take it all in than the rooftop of Grand Hotel Timeo. despite the fact that the elevated Taormina affords fantastic views of Sicily pretty much everywhere, along with providing breathtaking panoramas of the Bay of Taormina and the imposing Mount Etna. The room overlooks the hotel's verdant grounds. The literary terrace and bar, located in the center of the hotel rooftop terrace, offers beautifully creative cocktails and aperitivos while overlooking the setting sun. On one side is Otto Gelling, which serves a Michelin-starred cuisine on Friday and Saturday nights, while on the other is Ristorante Timo, which serves locally produced Sicilian favorites for lunch and dinner. Number 4. Majestic Hotel and Spa. One of Barcelona's top hotels, the stylish and 5-star Majestic Hotel and Spa is conveniently situated in the Eixample neighborhood. While appearing dated from the outside and housed in a neoclassical structure, Majestic offers chic, contemporary, and opulent lodging within. A highly relaxing spa is one of the hotel's additional amenities in addition to first-rate service. Awe-inspiring views of Barcelona, featuring landmarks like the Sagrada Familia, Casa Batlló, and the Agbar Tower, can be found on the hotel's top floor, which is on the 10th floor. A magnificent rooftop pool and the rooftop bar La Dolce Vita are also located on the recently renovated rooftop. Only hotel guests have access to the rooftop pool, where they may cool off and spend hours relaxing in the Barcelona heat. Everyone is welcome to enjoy the rooftop bar's amazing beverages, delectable snacks, live DJs, and energetic environment as dusk falls. Number 3. 1 Hotel Brooklyn Bridge. The fantastic 1 Hotel Brooklyn Bridge is located next to the Brooklyn Bridge and combines industrial and rustic style. Amazing and expansive views of Manhattan and the East River are available from the Brooklyn side. The hotel was created using local plants and salvaged materials, making it a true urban paradise in the busiest metropolis on Earth. You can unwind in the Bamford Haybarn Spa while a guest, or keep fit at the 24-hour fitness center. However, the hotel's actual jewel can be located on the top floor. The 10th and 11th floors of the 1 Hotel Brooklyn Bridge have something for everyone, including a rooftop pool, rooftop garden, rooftop bar, and rooftop lounge. While enjoying some of the best views New York has to offer, guests can take a dip in the rooftop plunge pool or unwind on a sofa. The hotel features 26 exquisite suites in addition to 123 contemporary guest rooms that are inspired by the basic Art Deco approach. Wellness amenities at the hotel include a spa, a heated indoor pool, and a small gym. There is also a laid-back brasserie by the name of Montecito that draws inspiration from the diverse cuisine of the American West Coast. However, the spectacular Sequoia rooftop bar, which is only open during certain seasons, is the hotel's outstanding feature. Number 2. Kimpton's d'Honoré Paris. The opulent Kimpton's d'Honoré, which is close to the Opera, Faubourg d'Honoré, and the Tuileries Gardens, infuses the center of Paris with a creative flair and ultra-chic atmosphere. The hotel features 26 exquisite suites in addition to 123 contemporary guest rooms that are inspired by the basic Art Deco approach. Wellness amenities at the hotel include a spa, a heated indoor pool, and a small gym. There is also a laid-back brasserie by the name of Montecito that draws inspiration from the diverse cuisine of the American West Coast. However, the spectacular Sequoia rooftop bar, which is only open during certain seasons, is the hotel's outstanding feature. Number 1. Marina Bay Sands. One of the biggest and most recognizable hotels in the world is the magnificent Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. The 5-star hotel offers a variety of amenities and activities. The largest atrium casino in the world, an enormous retail mall filled with every brand you can think of, and top-notch eateries and bars can all be found here. The hotel is also close to the stunning Gardens by the Bay, which is a must-see attraction in Singapore. It is an understatement to say that Marina Bay Sands has a rooftop. The hotel's 3 towers are connected by a long, ship or surfboard-shaped roof, which is arguably the trendiest rooftop venue on Earth. One of the tallest and largest rooftop infinity pools in the world is located on the 57th floor. Visitors staying at Marina Bay Sands are the only ones who have access to this rooftop jacuzzi and its companion ones. This is it for today. Click that subscribe button before leaving. See you next time.